In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Loom extension. First, you will want to open your preferred web browser. Once it is open, navigate to the search bar and type in Chrome Web Store. This step is essential because the Chrome Web Store is where you can find extensions to enhance your browsing experience. As you type, you will notice suggestions appear. Select the appropriate link to enter the Chrome Web Store. You will see a clean interface filled with various extensions. This is the starting point for adding Loom to your browser. Next, once you are in the Chrome Web Store, look for the correct link to the store's homepage. It should be highlighted in your search results. Clicking this link will take you directly to the main page of the Chrome Web Store. The main page displays popular extensions, top charts, and categories. This helps you understand the variety of tools available to enhance your browser. You will feel a sense of direction as you prepare to find Loom. After that, it's time to search for Loom. In the search bar at the top of the page, type Loom and hit Enter. This action will yield various results related to Loom. You should see Loom for Chrome among the top results. Searching for Loom is critical because it allows you to find the extension quickly. This efficiency saves you time and helps ensure you download the correct extension. Now, locate the option labeled Loom for Chrome. It will typically be one of the first results displayed. Click on this option to go to the Loom extension page. Here you can view details about the extension, including its features and user reviews. This page is designed to provide you with all the information you need before installation. It is reassuring to know that you are making an informed decision about what you are adding to your browser. Next up, you will see a prominent blue button that says Add to Chrome. Click on this button to initiate the installation process. This action is crucial because it begins the process of integrating Loom into your browser. Once clicked, you may notice that the button changes to indicate that the extension is being added. This visual cue reinforces that you are on the right track. After clicking the button, a prompt will appear asking for confirmation to add the extension. Here, you will need to click Add Extension. This confirmation step ensures that you are aware of the permissions required by Loom. It is important to understand what access the extension needs, as this keeps your browsing secure. Once you confirm, the installation will proceed, and you will see a notification indicating that Loom has been added successfully. At this point, you have successfully added the Loom extension to your Chrome browser. You can now start using Loom to create and share videos seamlessly. This extension can significantly enhance your productivity, especially if you often need to communicate visually. Enjoy the new capabilities Loom brings to your workflow.